Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is fields in Salesforce. Field is like a custom database column. Object field store data for our records. Fields are of two types, standard fields, custom fields. Standard fields, these are created by Salesforce. It cannot be deleted. Some of the standard fields are called system field, that is ID is deleted, created date, last modified date, created by ID, last modified by ID, system mod stamp, custom field, created by user and have extension of underscore underscore C. Data type. There are different types of data type. Text, text area long, text area rich, checkbox, currency, date, date time, number, email, phone, URL, time, geolocation, picklist multi-select, text encrypted. Creating custom field on a standard object. Standard object in classic mode. For that, we have to click on Setup, Build, Customize, Accounts. This is a standard object, Fields, Account, Custom Fields and Relationship. Click on New button. In step 1, choose data type. Step 2, enter field details. Step 3, next. Step 4, next. Step 5, save. Example, create check-in underscore underscore C custom field on account standard object in classic mode. This we will see in our practical session. Creating custom field on standard object in lightning mode. Setup, platform tools, object and fields, object manager, choose object, fields and relationship. Click new. Step 1, choose data type. Step 2, enter field details. Step 3, next. Step 4, next. Step 5, save. Example, create checkout underscore underscore C custom field on account standard object in Lightning Experience. Creating custom field on custom object. Custom object classic mode. Setup, build, create objects, choose object name, custom fields and relationship. Click new. Step 1, choose data type. Step 2, enter field details. Step 3, next. Step 4, next. Step 5, save. Example, create phone underscore underscore C custom field on employee underscore underscore C custom object in classic mode. Creating custom field on custom object. Custom object lightning mode. Setup, platform tools, objects and fields, object manager, choose object, fields and relationship. Click new. Step 1, choose data type. Step 2, enter field details. Step 3, next. Step 4, next. Step 5, save. Example, create amount underscore underscore C custom field on payment underscore underscore C custom object in Lightning Experience. Thank you. Coming to our practical session, just type login.salesforce.com on the URL, provide the username salesforce@network.com, provide the password and click on login button. First I am switching in classic mode. Switch to Salesforce Classic. Our first assignment is creating custom field on a standard object account. So here how account tab is coming. For that we have to click on plus symbol, click on customize my tabs. Here you are able to see available tabs, account, app launcher, assets, and so many standard objects are there. What the standard objects or what the objects is needed, that we have to select in our right panel. So for the accounts to show on this tab panel, I am going to click on add button and then moving it to up direction and clicking on save button. Now account tab is coming over here on the tab panel. On the account, click on account, and if I am clicking on new button, here all the standard fields are coming over here. Means in the account these are the fields like account name, parent name, account number, account site, and these all the fields are standard fields are coming over here. If I want to add any custom field or any business requirement, what the field is not populating over here or not here, so for that purpose I have to add that field in the account. So for adding the field in account, I am going to click on setup, build, customize, accounts, fields, account, custom field and relationships. Click on new button. Choose the data type over here in step 1. So I am going to create check-in and that check-in is of data type time. So selecting the time radio button, clicking on next. Provide here the name, check-in. Click on next button. If you want to make required, just check this button. Next. Establish field level security. Just make it default. Next. Click on save button. So this example we had seen that check-in custom field, we had created checking custom field in classic mode. While clicking on new button, see check-in is coming over here. This is custom field and this field we had created in classic mode. So in this example, we had seen creating custom field on a standard object in classic view. So now we are going to see creating custom field on a standard object in Lightning Experience. So for that, we have to click on switch to Lightning Experience. Here we are going to see creating custom field on a standard object in Lightning Experience. So for that, we have to click on Setup. Platform Tools, Objects and Fields, Object Manager, choose Object, Account, Fields and Relationships, click New, choose the data type, time, click on Next, check out, field label, field name. If you want to provide description, just write down here. If you want to make required, just click on this, click on Next. Establish field level security, make it as default, click on Next, click on Save button. So checkout is also coming over here. This field we had created in Lightning Experience on account object, account extended object. So now again I have to click on classic mode, switch to Salesforce Classic, and now our next assignment is creating custom field on custom object. Custom object here is employee. Custom object and the field is also coming over here custom field. So for that what I have to do, click on setup, build, create, objects, choose object name employee, custom fields and relationship, click on new. So in step 1, choose the data type. Here I am going to create phone field. So for phone, I am going to take phone data type, click on next. provide the field label phone. Field name is automatic populating. Click on next. Establish field level security, making at default, and simply clicking on save button. Now custom field and relationship, we are seeing phone field is there by the API name phone underscore underscore C. And some of the standard fields is also getting created when the object is getting created. So at the time when employee underscore C object is created, then at the same time some of the standard fields are also get created, like created by name, last modified by owner. This all the fields are standard fields. This is created by Salesforce. And what our business need is there, for that one we have to click in custom fields and relationship. So now next assignment is creating custom field on custom object in lightning mode or lightning experience. For that again I have to click on switch to lightning experience. Our next assignment is creating custom field amount on custom object payment. So for that I have to click on setup, platform tools, objects and fields, object manager, choose object, payment. If it's not coming, just look for here payment. Fields and relationship. Click on new button. Here also we can see that when payment underscore underscore C is created, at the same time some standard fields are also get created, like created by ID, last modified by ID, owner ID, name. If we want to create some of the custom field, so we are going to create like this only, fields and relationship. Click on new, choose the data type. For the amount we have to take this currency. Click on next, enter the detail like amount, by default it's going to take like 6 digit and 2 digit of decimal. Field name is automatic populating, it's right. Oh, click on next, establish field level security, make at default. Click on next, click on save button. Now we are able to see that amount underscore underscore C is coming over here. Underscore underscore C means it is a custom field and these are standard fields. Means here underscore underscore C is not there. So in this session, what we had seen, creating custom field on standard object in classic mode as well as in Lightning experience. And again, creating custom field on custom object in classic mode as well as in Lightning experience. So thank you.